I had been thinking about doing a Doctor of Ministry degree for a long time, and as I was working and raising a family, it was something that I put off for a while.
I wanted to find a program that would be academically rigorous, but by the same token, you'll be able to build friendships and relationships.
Over the last couple of years, I have found myself asking, what's next? And the logical answer was a Doctor of Ministry program.
When folks begin the Doctor of Ministry program, they're already in a ministry context. They're already doing the work that they feel called to do. And the Doctor of Ministry enables them to have the opportunity to think deeply about what all the aspects of their work is and how to do it more faithful to the biblical narrative, more faithful to the Christian tradition, and more faithful to their cultural context.
It allows you to bring back what you are researching and learning about in the seminars back to your ministry context. So there's a direct relation between the two.
They really work hard to make the schedule for the DMin seminars available for people who are working full-time.
The material has just been beyond my imagination. I had no idea it was going to be this rich and be this good.
Just the wisdom of the professors and the wisdom from the members of my cohort has just been a very valuable experience.
My cohort at Campbell was such a vital part of this experience. We became a pretty close-knit group.
We're all very different, but we're all very similar. We're sincere about what we want to do for the kingdom of God and what we want to do about ministry. We all seem to gel. We respect each other.
To have that sense of camaraderie with other pastors, to know that things that I'm walking through, I'm not alone. Other pastors are also walking through it. And we are encouraging one another along our journey.
Each student is asked to think about the place where they serve and a need that that congregation or community might have that your expertise and knowledge could help to address.
The faculty are there to guide and to give insight and to coach the students, but it really is the students who are crafting what they're doing in their ministry project. They know their context better than anyone else, and they are the ones who are becoming expert in whatever they're doing in their ministry project.
I have a renewed sense of purpose and creativity to think about how to creatively tell the story of how God is at work in my church.
The Doctor of Ministry degree is a chance for deep spiritual exploration for yourself. It is a chance for you to help your congregation to grow into a new area of ministry or to meet a need. And I think for people who are considering it, to be prepared to learn and grow in ways that you didn't even expect when you start the journey.